There's a person over there.
Hey, you. I'm vice president because I talked to the station. The housing department is asking for sponsorship. Wow!
That's her
Good for
baby.
Friday, yeah. Yeah, you all
I talked to
know.
her a while ago. She told me.
Him!
Yeah. She.
The
accountable. Yeah, she
yeah.
told me, where's Mr. Garcia?
And then,
It's over here. Then when can I
over
talk to-
there?
No. She told me when can I talk to him?
Then what happened?
I tell her, no, he's in Manila.
Wait, that's 1 peso. It's Tagalog.
He's in Manila.
You try to speak Manila! Manila! You speak...
Oh, Manila. Manila.
Did you write him already?
No.
Not yet?
The accountant didn't told me.
You better call
She
me
didn't
now.
told me. She's the problem, not me.
No. Who's the accountant? The one? That one?
No.
The
That's
one-
different.
The other one. Cigarette?
That's
The other one?
5,000?
Yeah. You know the explanation, huh?
No, I
Stay
don't
further.
know. I don't know.
5,000 sponsorship for the outing. Outing where?
Maybe you can call him because when I speak to him, I tell him sponsorship. Who told you? Angie. Who told Angie? IBP. It's a big process.
No. When he will ask you, who told you?
The
This is
outing.
when we reach the accountant, right? Yeah. Don't call NG and RDG. Do not.
She just told me. She's the problem. She just told me.
I don't want to talk to him already because I told him a while ago. Don't go around the bush.
I have a problem.
You go straight
I have
to
a
the
problem.
point. What's your
I
problem?
have a problem because when I talked to him a while ago,
Oh,
he's hungry.
He's hungry. Why you think you need a
Then he made
Oh, I thought he's angry because no money. It cannot afford
What if when I call him, I talk to English? I can imagine his reaction.
Hey, never mind. Let's record it by tomorrow. Record it by tomorrow then.
Ano for by tomorrow or
Tomorrow. Here? Tomorrow?
No, ano for today or tomorrow?
Let's make him cool head. Because today it's hot.
Yeah, exactly.
Because of sponsorship. Yeah, of course. Sponsorship.
Because I talked to him a while ago.
Yeah.
He's angry at me. I'm just reporting, you know.
Why?
Then, you want to be detailed, you know.
Oh no, my head is achy. I cannot understand you.
I have a problem.
Oh, that's your problem.
Yeah, when
Are you pregnant?
I call him tomorrow, he told me, why did you know it's a holiday?
What? No.
When I call him
Marco,
tomorrow.
that's not a holiday day.
No, they nothing.
Not
How did you know that they need 5,000?
Oh my
Yeah, I call him
God.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, right now. We did not report yesterday, sir, because you're hot.
Yeah, because I'm busy. You know that?
They just told me. They said afternoon.
No.
Right. Senator, they just told me late in the afternoon, after 5. They just called me. Oh, Earth is 8 to 5.
The
That's
accountant
why
there
I
is so
didn't go.
disgusting.
That's
I talked to her.
Hey, Senator.
He didn't tell me.
Excuse you. They just called me late in the afternoon.
But that accountant is so disgusting, you know.
Why you naman she?
I talked to her.
I thought you
Why?
were going to speak in English. I'm sorry.
She didn't told me.
Let's wait for the other
But before
it
that,
can be.
I would like to thank you for helping me to, you know.
What did you say? I can't. What's that? You must charge him. It's a must. Yeah. You must. There's a must for tomorrow.
No, because-
Call your must.
It's very difficult.
What do you call it? Sister. Pink sister.
What seems to be the problem?
Yeah. Like you want to go to Pink sister?
Zoom.
Yeah, let's run. Yeah, run. You must go there. What go there? Pink sister. Yeah, that's my diet too. You know. So starting from today,
Hey,
I'll make a
Papa?
memo right away.
Yeah. Good.
Tagalog. Hey, Tagalog is doing.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, huh?
Yeah.
Verbal memo. Tagalog is prohibited starting right
When
now.
I-
Okay, no problem. 304. Meeting at
When I fly away, I'll give you
304. 304, huh?
Hey, we're out.
Tagalog will start 50 cents per word. Oh, no, that's Come on!
Speak English, okay?
Starting today. Oh, you're the yeah. You report to her. Okay, it.
Then
Us
mag-edit.
has no problem. Because when someone calls her, high blood, high blood.
That's her problem.
Yeah, no problem.
That's her big
Oh, high
problem.
blood, high blood.
You bastard. What about the rest?
No, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, take us up there on the picture. Run away, run away, Brad. Oh, let's go.
How about Manang?
Let's compress.
Let's
compress.
hear
Let's
English.
compress, Manang.
But now you're talking English, okay?
Oh, I'll say.
Ante. Hey, boss. Ano kayo? Let's take.
What? Ano
Ante.
kayo? Ano kayo? Ano kayo? Ano kayo?
Hey. Hey. Let's come out. Come. Come.
Manang, sige.
Manang.
Manang. Ante. Mary. Ante, come on. Say come to
Did you lock the door over there, ma'am?
There? Manang, lock my door pala. This door. Not the other window. No. Including that. Ante, Mary, come and let's take some pictures.
Antay.
Ante! Ante you! Ante mo! You give it to Ante Mary. Why don't you give it to Auntie Mary? Okay, let's start.
Oh, record na yung